My name is Mattis Orgel, Director and Founder of Orb Interiors Ltd, where we manufacture kitchens for both the trade and retail markets in the UK. We migrated to ERPiQ about a year ago. We really love working with them because they have a team of really dedicated personnel. They always seem to find a way to customize the software, understand our processes, and customize our core product, which is Priority ERP, customize it to our processes in a way that always maximizes efficiency and profits. We've migrated to Priority ERP about 4 years ago. It changed our business in many, many ways. Mainly, it really took the whole process, it automated it. So everything is now automated across the board. So that goes from customer service, manufacturing, delivery scheduling, and everything like that, which then also meant that we could double our output without having to increase the member of staff. So we've doubled the output and close to doubled our net margins since we've moved to this software. It's removed any human errors, so no errors means more profits and happier customers. We use Priority Mobile extensively, and we find it really, really helpful too. It allows every person and every user with the correct permissions to create apps ourselves. So what Priority do is they give you an app builder, and you don't need to be a developer for it. It's really very, very simple. It's almost like I tell you, hi, can you put this form in? Can you put that report in? Can you make this happen? Can you put this procedure in, etc., etc.? It's almost as simple as that. Being a client of ERPiQ is really been an amazing experience for us. They've done so many implementations for us, which we've not asked for because I didn't think it possible initially. Sometimes we just came up with issues, and they've come up with solutions which we didn't think was possible, and it really helped improve the business in a massive, massive way. So the processes, the automations and everything, we would never be where we are without them.